The third one is, what differences do you find between the country and the town? What differences do you find between the country and the town? This is our experience, because you people will go to countryside during the holidays time and all. So you know the differences between country and town practically. So simply I will discuss that. In countryside we get fresh air, very good fresh vegetables, and also homely atmosphere and amicable people. Okay, whereas in town we cannot get that, because the town people are always busy, and they are busy with their daily schedule, and they cannot meet each other frequently, and the air is getting polluted because of the much crowd and all, and always we will be in hurry, on toes. We people will be always on toes in towns. So that difference also you can write. And electrification, much electrification we can see in the town side, whereas in countryside electrification is not that much. Okay, so like that you have your own experiences, and you can explain this answer in your own way. Thank you. Now the fourth question is, how can you say that the town mouse could not enjoy the dinner? Okay, how can you say that the town mouse could not enjoy the dinner? So we know that the town mouse could not enjoy the dinner. That is obvious. But how can we say that is important here? Because we can say that the action of the town mouse showed this. What was the action? Simply it nibbled the food. Nibble means not interestingly, make into small bites. Okay, when you are very much interested, simply you gulp the food very happily and voraciously. But here the town mouse is not interested in the food that was given by the country mouse. So it was not interested and nibbled the food. Nibble means made into small pieces without any interest. Okay, so that is the reason. So we can say that the town mouse nibbled the food. By this action we can say that it is not interested and it did not enjoy the dinner. And next one is fifth question. What would happen if the person who opened the cupboard found any of the mice? Yes, any of the mice. Mouse is singular, mice is plural. Okay, if a person would see any of the mice there, then what would happen? Just guess. And for discussion I am giving you some guessing. That is, if any of the mice had been seen by the person of the house, definitely the person would kill the mouse, or else the person would throw the mouse outside. So like that the mouse will lose its shelter, definitely. That's why this is the reason. So either it would be thrown out or it would be killed. Okay, so any reason you can write there. And now coming to the sixth question, that is, why did the town mouse travel in an ordinary train? Yes. Why did the town mouse travel in an ordinary train? Yes, because that was the countryside. Okay, so countryside generally will be having passengers and all. So the train will not be that much advanced. That's why no AC coach and all. So definitely no other option. So the town mouse went to the countryside in an ordinary train because of lack of proper highly advanced train facility. Okay, so this is the answer. Now coming to the seventh question. Why did the country mouse go back to his house in the country? Once again I read the question. Why did the country mouse go back to his house in the country? So the country mouse came back to his countryside house. Why did he come? Because he was not satisfied with the lifestyle in the town side with the town cousin. Okay, so this is the answer actually, because he was always in tension, though they had plenty of food and all the facilities, all the luxuries, the vehicles, the lights and everything very much advanced. Even then the country mouse was not happy with the life in the town side. Okay, that's why it came back to his house in the countryside. Okay, so this is the answer. You develop the answer. Now coming to the eighth question, that is, how can you say that the town mouse was not comfortable in the country? Yes, not comfortable in the country. The town mouse was not comfortable in the country. That is clear. But why? How can you say that? Because whenever it was about to eat the food, because the entire food was delicious, food was available, but it was helpless in condition because it could not take any of the food, though the food was very much attractive, very much delicious, very much tasty, but he could not take even a single bit of the food because of the fear, the tension, whether some person would come and the person would kill or catch them. So that was the reason it could not happily enjoy their life in the town. So because of the fear, because of the tension, it went back. So how can you say that the town mouse was not comfortable? It was not comfortable. It could not sleep sound because of the tensions. Okay, so this is the reason. Develop the answer. Now coming to the 9th question. How are the streets of a town different from those of a village? Yes. How are the streets of town different from the village? Okay. In village we can see not the concrete roads and the sandy or the soil, the roads with soil, fair paths we can see in the village side, whereas in town side the concrete roads we can see, tar roads we can see, and the streets are properly designed, and all the things, all the advancement we can see in the town, and with the street lights and also with vehicles always busy, and whereas all these things, all these facilities are being missed in the village. So but even then village life is very happy and very peaceful, without any noises, without any troublesome vehicles and all, without any accidents. So we can compare the village road is the best one. Village road is better than the town road. Okay, though the town road is having all the facilities, all the modern things. Okay, so this is the answer. Just write in your own sentences. Now coming to the 10th question. Describe the lifestyle of country mouse. Describe the lifestyle of country mouse. Okay, country mouse completely depends on the nature for its food, and also it lives in the holes or in the corners of the houses and all, and it gets fresh air and all. Okay, and here the life is peaceful, whereas the life of town mouse is not peaceful, always in tense. Okay, so this is the happy life we can say. Like that you can frame 2 or 3 sentences. Then coming to the 11th one, that is the town and the country mouse did not meet each other again. Yes, the country mouse and town mouse did not meet each other again. This already we came to understand by the lesson. Why? The reason let us discuss now. Okay, both of them did not meet each other once again because both of them did not like the lifestyle of each other's. Okay, so the town mouse did not like the lifestyle of country mouse because it is very simple and it could not get all the delicious food, good sleep, and good advancement in the lifestyle, whereas the country mouse did not like the town mouse lifestyle because that is highly advanced with all the tension, with all the noises and all, and that is somewhat irritating to the country mouse because country mouse is always in peaceful life, whereas town mouse is always busy with the busy life, advanced life and modern life. Okay, so both of them never meet each other. This is the reason. So like that you frame the answer in your own sentences. Thank you. So from this lesson we can say that the difference between the country and the town, but we cannot say that the country mouse life, according to this lesson, the country mouse life is okay, that is good, no doubt. At the same time we can say that the town mouse is very much proud, but if you take in general the countryside and the town side, both of them are having some advantages as well as some disadvantages. Okay, so that later let us see in the future lessons. Next poem we can see the town child, the countryside and the country child. Okay, so there we can see the differences, and we can't say only the countryside life is very good and the town mouse lifestyle is not that much good. Okay, we can't say, but only this story, basing on this story we can say that the country mouse the countryside is good and the town side is highly advanced and it is not good according to this lesson. But this is not a general statement because both of them are having their own disadvantages and advantages. Okay, thank you. This is the feelings of the lesson.